Did you know that indulgence can meet health benefits? Welcome to the world of dark chocolate. This is no ordinary sweet treat. It's a delight that's often shrouded in the cloak of guilty pleasure. But what if we told you that this rich, glossy temptation is more than just a dessert? Dark chocolate is a trove of surprising health benefits waiting to be discovered. Stay tuned as we delve into the surprising advantages of this indulgent treat. Dark chocolate is more than just a sweet treat. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's delve into these surprising advantages. Firstly, dark chocolate is an antioxidant dynamo, filled to the brim with flavonoids that shield our cells from damage and lower inflammation. This makes it a valuable ally in our body's constant fight against harmful free radicals. Secondly, it's a heart health hero. Studies suggest that the flavonoids in dark chocolate can increase blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. All of these contribute to a healthier, happier heart. Thirdly, it's a brain booster. Dark chocolate contains caffeine and theobromine, compounds that can enhance cognitive performance and alertness. And who doesn't want a sharper mind? But that's not all. Dark chocolate also contains compounds that trigger endorphins, the feel-good hormones. This helps to enhance our mood and promote relaxation. In terms of blood sugar control, dark chocolate has a lower glycemic index compared to milk chocolate, meaning it has less impact on our blood sugar levels. Moving on, the antioxidants in dark chocolate may help protect the skin from sun damage, improve skin hydration, and promote a youthful appearance. It's also a tool for weight management. Eating moderate amounts of dark chocolate has been linked to reduced cravings and improved satiety. Next, dark chocolate has anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce inflammation in the body, and it's rich in essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. Finally, the combination of antioxidants and endorphins in dark chocolate may help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Clearly, dark chocolate is a delicious way to support your well-being. But how can you enjoy it responsibly? Indulging in dark chocolate doesn't mean you have to compromise on your health. Quite the contrary. It's a delightful way to enrich your diet while reaping a multitude of health benefits. However, it's important to remember that not all dark chocolates are created equal. To maximize the health benefits, opt for high-quality dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, preferably 70% or more. This ensures a higher concentration of antioxidants and less sugar. Now, while dark chocolate is a healthier choice, moderation is key. Even the healthiest foods can cause issues when consumed in excess. So think of dark chocolate as a potent supplement, not a main course. A square or two a day should be just enough to satisfy your sweet tooth and boost your health. Next time you reach for a sweet treat, consider dark chocolate. It's an indulgence that comes with a host of health benefits. So, go ahead and savor each bite.